Hello, my people. So today I want to talk about something. I want to talk about the six most important drugs for pigs. So whether you are raising a pig for the butchers or you are raising a pig as a pet, it's very rare to see. In fact, I'm not sure I've seen anybody that is raising pigs in Nigeria for pets. So I don't know if there's anybody raising pigs for pets. So these are the six drugs that, as a pig farmer, at one point in time, you have to give your pigs one of these drugs. So this is the number one of this drug. The first of this drug is called the iron injection. This is the iron 100 injection. This is usually the first drug given to any piglets on the third day. So let's assume that your piglet was given birth to on Monday. On Thursday, you have to give it 2 ml of this drug. This is my injection bag, and this is my syringe. I usually use 2 ml of this syringe. 2 ml. This is a 5 ml syringe. I usually use 2 ml. You take it and give to your piglets. On the third day, you give it 2 ml. So for those who want to know the needle I don't use the normal human beings needle. I use the 20G needle for animals. 20G needle. Don't use the normal needle that they use in giving injection to human beings. Use the 20G needle. So this is the iron injection. This is the purpose of this injection is to pump more blood. The iron is responsible for blood formulation in the human body. Likewise also in the animal's body. So once a piglet has been given birth to, give it a 2 ml dosage of this iron. This iron will help in blood formulation and blood circulation in the young animal. This is called the Kepromec. Kepromec serves two purposes. Let's say that your pig is suffering from diarrhea, the stool is watery, and it is also scratching. Like how pigs do. A pig can come here and be scratching on the wall. If the scratching is too much, you give it this Kepromec. For a pig of this size, you give it 3 ml of this Kepromec. Kepromec is for both scratching and for deworming. Immediately before I serve a pig in this farm, I usually deworm. And I deworm with this Kepromec. Kepromec 3 ml for each mature piglet. Sorry, for each mature pig. The third drug I use in this farm is called Gentreat. Most of you have heard about the Gentreat. Gentreat is for running stomach. Kepromec is for scratching, for a pig that is scratching, and for deworming. Use Kepromec. Then Gentreat. This Gentreat now, I made a mistake. I said that Kepromec is for deworming, is for diarrhea. This is not for diarrhea. It just serves two purposes, which is for deworming and for scratching. That is Kepromec. 3 ml for one mature piglet. Now, for the Gentreat is for running stomach. And if your pig is stooling watery stool, if your pig is just suffering from running stomach, you give it 2 ml of Gentreat, and within some few days it will stop. 2 ml of Gentreat. Gentreat is for running stomach. Now the fourth one, is called VitaFlash. VitaFlash injection is for multivitamins. Name it: vitamin A, vitamin D3, vitamin E, vitamin K3, vitamin C. This is the function of the VitaFlash. VitaFlash injection. I usually give it 2 ml. In this farm, I usually give, because we don't usually buy the multivitamin feeds. There is what is called multivitamin feed. All these feed that has multivitamins in them. We don't use it in this farm because it's kind of expensive for us. So what we usually do is, before or while we are weaning pigs, while we are transferring pigs from their mom to their own separate pens, which is called weaning. We usually give them 1 meal or 2 meal of these multivitamins. And these multivitamins will help in their growth. It will help in their growth. It usually boosts their immune system and their vitamin level, which will aid in their growth. Now, the fifth one is called the Vito C. It's also called the oxytetracycline. This is the antibiotics. This is for antibiotics. In case your pig has any bacterial infection. For example, there was a time that one of our lactating pigs that was giving birth to piglets, the breast started bringing out blood instead of breast milk. Just gave it 3 ml of this Vito C, and within some days it cleared. So this is an antibacterial. It's usually for pigs that have one bacterial infection or the other. It's called Vito C, 3 ml for a mature pig. Now, this one is in powdery form. This is called the Tylodose Extra WSP. Tylodose Extra WSP. This is in a powder form, and the function is for coughing, is to cure coughing. For example, if your pig is coughing, when your pig is coughing, you know. If your pig is coughing, you take, depending on the size of the pig. If it's a mature pig like this, I give it 3 ml. If it's a small piglet, I give it 1 ml. So what I do is I take a small quantity, I put inside water, I turn it, I use this syringe to take it from the water and just open the mouth and give it. Then if possible, mix it in water and give to the pig as drinking water instead of injecting. But I prefer to inject. If you don't inject, you can mix it with the pig's water and give it so that the pig can drink. So, in summary, this Tylodose Extra WSP is for coughing. This Vito C is an antibacterial in case of bacterial infections. This iron is for piglets. You give it to them so as to help in blood formulation and circulation. Iron. This is the Vita Flash. This is a multivitamin to increase the vitamin level of your pigs. This is the Kepromec for deworming and for scratching. This is the Gen-Treat for running stomach. So guys, that is it. So my people, that is it on the 6 most important drug for your pigs. There are other important drugs also, but these are the 6 major important drugs for your pig. So thanks for watching my video, and God bless. And please subscribe to my channel. I beg, Biko, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and God bless.